Nonimatikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to talk about Umshololo, guys. Personally, me, in my personal capacity, in myself, me, myself, and I agree with myself. I was not happy with Umshololo. Umshololo for me was flat. Oh, no confidence, zero interest. She showed me a side that I didn't know because I know when it's Umshololo, it's about to go down. But today, I call. Oh, Icon, I'm sure some faith you were not interested. You just get closer city usana kunina. That is what you did. Umshololo ugqithise usana kunina because there is no way. Umshololo is normally prepared. Umshololo is normally putting on a fight. Umshololo, you know what? It was a lot. But before we get into the details of that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you'll be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Okay. Now, let's get into the situation, Gamsholo. She takes the mics. She does what she does. Like, she will never disappoint us. I understand the break time was almost there because Umalo was done just shortly before 11 a.m. And then Umsholo looked at the time and was like, 15 minutes. In fact, I felt like after listening to her, she should have actually done a cross-examination from the time Umalo was giving to her up until Umalo, or up until the time, because Umshololo did not do any justice with the cross-examination today. Umshololo looked like she was not interested with what she was doing. Umshololo looked like someone who checked out on the case. It's been 3 years and she's no longer interested. Umshololo looked like, yeah, I'm just asking questions because, yeah, I know what to ask. But she did not have the fighting Umshololo in her. There was no fire. There was nothing. She was just bored, in my view. That is what I saw. She was not interested. She wasted time, actually, because, well, I did not expect. I'm hugely disappointed in how she handled the entire cross-examination of accused number 3. Accused number 3 is one of those witnesses that you really needed to go to war. But Umshololo decided, yeah, now she's gonna check out. I don't care who says what. Ma'am Umshololo, you disappointed me. You did not do well in my view when it comes to this point. You missed so many opportunities and you missed a lot of crucial evidence that you could have rebutted through Umncube. You missed a lot of crucial opportunities to actually clear up your client, yet you had zero interest in what was happening. I can't put it in any other way. Umshololo was just flat. The questions that she was asking, they were not creating any justice for the defense case. And I sat there, I was sitting here thinking, she should have just allowed this one to pass. You know what Mshololo was doing there for me, it suggests, okay, I felt like she should have said, I have no questions for this witness. It was not going to be a problem at all. If Ebete, I have no questions for this witness, it was not going to be a problem at all. That for me, I think that disappointment of her not asking questions would have been far more great, far more better than, much better than her doing what she did today. I was not impressed, honestly. I am honestly not impressed. I don't know about you, and Umshololo, guys, is this one who's always absent in that courtroom of Jadrat. To an extent that Jadrat these days does not even fight it. He don't care. He don't ask questions. Umshololo yakwazi for an entire week and it be nothing. Jadrat used to fight for that, but no, now he don't care. He don't care. He don't ask anything. So I don't want to lie to you. Ungibore to the core, umshololo. I wish you Swiss has changed any lawyer, but okay, sizothini. If it was my brother, I would ask him to. I would tell him change your lawyer. She's not invested anymore in this case. If Uspiso was my brother, I would tell him change the lawyer. She's not invested. She's not interested anymore. She moved on. She's no longer into the entire situation. I understand also it's been 3 years and it's been a lot of taking in for her. She's so over it, man, guys. She's so over it. She tried when there was drama. We'll talk about it in a separate video. She really came through for her defense, but when it comes to that cross examination, she dropped the ball, in my view. Oh, she dropped the ball. There's absolutely zero substance in anything that she did there. There was no substance, guys. Ayikho nje into esinoyithetha there's nothing. No. No. Even if you disagree with me, I understand. But from my personal perspective, now, Mugo was just not present. Mshaza, she was just not present, guys. She was just not present. She was just absent. I'm looking for someone who agrees with me somewhere because Sana Icona. Okay, let me look for what other people think. Maybe I'm not the only one. I'm just gonna check here. Ukuthi abantu bathini. Yabo, because I was not impressed, Shem. I don't wanna lie. I was not impressed by Umshololo. Umshololo wetu was quite not interesting today. She was just not there. She was just absent. She was just absent, guys. So if umuntu feels ukuthi I'm so proud of a defense trying and trying, but when the time comes, guys, umuntu makavele atsho nje uba akasazi ngeni. Akavele atsho nje, I don't think it's a crime. I don't. For instance, why Umshololo did not speak about the calls between Kelly Kumalo and accused number 3 that were said were there, and also link that with the calls between Kelly Kumalo and accused number 5. Why didn't she ask questions about that? Like, my flappers are gasted by how Umshololo handled this. So, guys, let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Do you think I'm being unfair when I say Umshololo was flat? She was flat. Guys, under normal circumstances, cross-examination Kamshololo no Rata. Kamshololo, between her and Rata, there was gonna be a fight. Because the things that she was going to ask, they were going to bring Rata's blood boiling down. And he was going to be forced to say something. She didn't even have that power. Umshololo is very powerful, guys, and he has the power. His existence annoys the hell out of Rata. And Umshololo is one of the people that went through a lot when it comes to Judge Rata. And she finally clocked him. She knows how to speak to him. Oh, one thing she has clocked is how to address that old man. And then she comes and has nothing to ask if that is tangible, proper. Now, I was not impressed. Honestly, I'm not impressed, guys, honestly. Anyway, that is just me, Umatikela. When on your own views, what are your thoughts when it comes to Umshololo and the cross-examination? What did you find that was quite interesting? She fumbled even in Dabaga section 205. Guys, honestly, come on now, I'm sure. How can she fumble with section 205? That was very crucial. Why didn't she ask about the communication between Umncube and Untuli to check where Untuli was when he was receiving the call and where Umncube was? I am sure Zabafetu, I ngeke. I'm not impressed, honestly. I am honestly not impressed. I don't know about you. I'll see you on our next video. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. Bye bye.